So, students, today we will talk about how the problem which is faced by all the economy and how does we can solve it by using price mechanism. The solution to the basic problem through price mechanism. As we know, the basic problem which is faced by every economy, that is what to produce and how much to produce. How to produce means the which techniques should be involved or should adopt to produce, and for whom to produce means the targeted group, which group we have to produce or for which group of the people we have to produce. And then after we will talk about the conditions which are required, which are necessary for the efficient working of price mechanism. So first we will talk about the what to produce. See, in every economy, the problem of the commodity is what to produce is always faced by all types of producers. Here, price mechanism helps producers to know which commodity they have to produce. For example, every producer produce the goods and services to earn profit. Here, price mechanism set up the higher price to the people or to the commodities on that commodity which is demanded by the people. Here, producer can easily come to know that which commodity has higher price on, or by producing such commodity they can earn more profit. So the problem of what to produce can be solved by price mechanism. Higher price commodity will be priority to produce for the consumer by the producer as it yield higher rate of profit. Secondly is how to produce. How to produce is basically the problem of the technique of production, means which technique should be adopted by the producer to produce the goods and services. As we know, there are two types of techniques, labor intensive and machinery intensive or capital intensive. So the producer, all the producer would like to produce the goods and the services or the product at lower cost. They would like to produce the goods and services at lower cost by adopting the system, adopting the technique of production which is less costlier. Thirdly, for whom to produce. Price mechanism easily determine the distribution of income in a country of the people of the country who are living in a economy. Price mechanism determines the distribution of income as rent, interest, salary and other various things. So producer will come to know that which type of income people are living in the particular area. Suppose that if there is unequal distribution of income, so there would be two class only, the class of lower and the class of higher income people. So they will produce only two types of commodity, the commodity which is adopt, which is acquired or which is demanded by the higher level of income. They will produce standard goods and services, and for the poor people income they will produce inferior goods or given goods or non-standardized goods. And if there is a equal distribution of income is there in an economy, the producer would like to produce normal goods and services which is purchased, consumed and demanded by all the people in a country. Now how does a price mechanism works? We have already understand it in our previous video. Now we will understand or whose condition, the condition which are required to set up or to work efficiently price mechanism. Price mechanism works efficiently, effectively when there are some conditions required. First is competition or existence of competition. Price mechanism works only in such type of market where there is a competition takes place, where there are so many producers who produce goods and services, who supply goods and services, and the consumer who demands goods and services. For efficient working of price mechanism, competition or existence of competition is compulsory. Secondly, cost reflecting the sacrifice. The cost which is incurred in the production of goods and services, it reflects the sacrificing cost, the sacrificing amount which is introduced by the producer to produce goods and services. Demand reflecting need. For effectively working of price mechanism, the demand should reflect the need of the people. The demand of goods must reflect the need of people, means the goods and services which are demanded by the people must reflect the need, as the product and service it satisfy the need of people. So it is necessary that the demand must reflect the need of people. Goods, only such goods should be demanded which are actually in the need of the people. Mobility of resources. This is another essential point or required point for the efficient working of price mechanism. Mobility of resources means the resources which are responsible for the production of goods and services must have mobility, means they can be moved from one place to another place or from one production house to another production house, such as capital is required to produce any types of goods and services. Suppose that if you have developed, installed a fertilizing industry or textile industry, the capital will work to purchase the raw material and machinery for the textile industry. And the same capital, if you want to introduce in sugar industry, it will purchase the machinery and the raw material for the production of sugar. Next is correct anticipation of demand. For the efficient working of price mechanism, the anticipation of demand must be correct. If we cannot anticipate correctly the demand, we cannot reflect the price, we cannot come to know about the equilibrium price of the commodity. So it will not work, the equilibrium will not work, the price mechanism will not work, and it will never come to know about the equilibrium price, means the price on which the goods are produced by the producers. And not in non-economic conditions. For efficient working or effective working of price mechanism, some non-economic concerns, some non-economic conditions are also required, such as law and order, visibility, legal aspect of business, consumer awareness, and consumer rights. These are non-economic activities. These conditions also required for the effective working of price mechanism. So in the next video we will talk about various other factors which are concerned with the price mechanism.